I've got a battery issue. The car's been sitting undriven for a while, and I didn't have the trickle charger hooked up to it. So now I gotta determine whether the battery is dead or salvageable. On this car, the battery is actually in the back trunk, and they give you a contact point in the front of the car to check the voltage or to charge the battery. But the procedure to check if your battery is dead or recoverable is the same for any car. The problem with a battery that hasn't been driven, charged, or on a trickle charger is that after a while it suffers from lead sulfation, in which the sulfate crystals are kind of permanently stuck to the lead plates inside the battery, so it damages the battery. I had this on a trickle charger for a few weeks. See what the battery voltage is. Right now, even with the trickle charger connected to it, it's only 5.2 volts, which is not a good sign. So next I'm going to disconnect the trickle charger, and now it's only testing the real battery itself. It's 1.8 volts, which is nowhere near 12 volts. Next I'm going to just double check that the trickle charger is at the correct voltage, which is the trickle charger is at 14.7 volts, which needs to be higher than what your voltage on your battery needs to be, which is around 12 volts. So the charger is working, but the battery is not recoverable.